Another ticker that I would love to look at is Netflix. As you can see, there's a huge gap that was created from earnings. Now that gap is almost from there to from here is almost a 10% move. 10%. Yes, 10% move. Which is very big for Netflix. So you can see it kind of has failed to fill that gap. Now this could also be thought as an inverse head and shoulders, but looking to the bright side, it actually looks like it has filled this tiny gap, which was created on May 20th. Now another positive that I would like to add is that it bounced off this whole ribbon, and the whole ribbon has also flipped green, which shows that there is momentum. Not at the moment, but there is. So you can see once the whole ribbon flips a color, it moves up. Same thing here. Same thing here, right? If you could have caught this whole move up here, be about 10% move as well. Move up here as well, 16%, and so on. So seeing this whole ribbon flip, you can tell there is more upside. Maybe it could be a partial gap fill and then a rejection at 524. And as you can see, the MACD is also looking to flip. And it's just one of those stocks that I would be looking at this week. The most impressive thing is that it held its whole ribbon. As you can see, it is also underperforming the QQQ, but one of my favorite trades is actually a mean reversion. Like a rubber band snapping back. As you can see here, Netflix has really formed a channel it's trading at. So if you were to put top boundary, bottom boundary, and then maybe in between we would put one as well. So you can see price always is just bouncing around this channel that we created. And then if you look at the weekly, it's a little more compressed, but you can see the picture is more clear, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up, right? So even short-term target would be 523. Halfway gap fill would be decent as well. But longer term, seeing all this consolidation, we could eventually see Netflix be up to almost 625, maybe breaking all-time highs, because this consolidation reminds me of NVIDIA, where it was trading in this channel right here, and there was median. Although NVIDIA's channel trading was a little bit shorter compared to Netflix. Netflix is a little bit longer, but I do believe that it will make a 10% move or so soon. Maybe not 10%, but as you can see, it broke out, and there it is trading at all-time highs, even closing at all-time highs, which shows tremendous momentum. Let's go back to Netflix. We could see tremendous potential.